Missouri Motorcycle Fines Limits Test.
Question 1. A conviction of careless driving will result in the addition of points.
3, 2, 4, 1.
Answer.
4.
Question 2. If any Missouri driver has more than DWI convictions, an ignition interlock device must be installed on his or her vehicle before his or her driving privileges are returned.
1, 4, 3, 2.
Answer.
1.
Question 3. What is the legal back limit for adult drivers in the state of Missouri?
0.09%, 0.08%, less than 0.08%, 0.10%.
Answer.
Less than 0.08%.
Question 4. A fourth DWI conviction could result in a jail sentence of up to years.
5, 4, 6, 7.
Answer.
7.
Question 5. Upon a Missouri driver's second conviction of failure to maintain auto insurance, his or her driver's license and/or license plate will be suspended for days and he or she will be fined
$30, $50, $90, $100, $30, $100, $90, $200.
Answer.
$90, $200.
Question 6. A minor in possession (MIP) charge will occur when a Missouri driver who is between 15 and 21 years of age is found doing which of the following?
Having a back of 0.02% or greater. Attempting to purchase alcohol. Consuming alcohol. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 7. If a Missouri driver is ordered to install any ignition interlock device in his or her vehicle then is found to be driving without it, his or her license will be revoked for upon the first offense.
30 days. 90 days. 6 months. 1 year.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 8. Upon reinstatement after points suspension or revocation, a Missouri driving record points tally will be reduced by
1, 3, 4, 2.
Answer.
4.
Question 9. After his or her first points suspension, if a driver is issued another citation and points addition, his or her license will be suspended again for an additional days.
120, 60, 90, 30.
Answer.
60.
Question 10. A Missouri driver may be sentenced to up to in jail upon his or her second DWI conviction.
1 year, 6 months, 9 months, 5 years.
Answer:
1 year.
Question 11. If a Missouri driver knowingly allows an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle, points will be added to his or her driving record as a result of the offense.
3, 2, 4, 1.
Answer:
4.
Question 12. In regards to administrative penalties for DWI offenses in the state of Missouri, multiple offenses must occur within years.
9, 3, 5, 7.
Answer:
5.
Question 13. A third MIP conviction will result in a license revocation period.
6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year.
Answer:
1 year.
Question 14. A Missouri driver may be issued a certificate of self-insurance upon depositing with the state treasurer.
$1,000, $16,000, $6,000, $60,000.
Answer:
$60,000.
Question 15. A Missouri driver's points tally will reduce by 1/3 after
1 year, 30 days, 5 years, 6 months.
Answer:
1 year.
Question 16. Which of the following may serve as proof of insurance?
A certificate of self-insurance, a copy of the insurance policy, a copy of insurance identification card. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
All of these answers are correct.
Question 17. Operating a vehicle with a suspended or revoked driver's license will result in the addition of points.
10, 6, 12, 8.
Answer:
12.
Question 18. How long must a driver keep an ignition interlock device installed in his or her vehicle after license reinstatement?
6 months, 30 days, 5 years, 1 year.
Answer:
6 months.
Question 19. If a Missouri driver injures or kills another person as the result of their drinking and driving, a jail sentence of up to could be ordered.
4 years, 10 years, 7 years, 14 years.
Answer:
7 years.
Question 20. How many points will be added to a Missouri driving record upon conviction of a speeding violation?
4, 1, 2, 3.
Answer.
3.
Question 21. If a driver does not respond to a traffic violation within days, he or she will be conviction of failure to appear in court for traffic violations, fact, and his or her license will be suspended until the citation is addressed.
30. 60. 10. 90.
Answer.
30.
Question 22. If a Missouri driver injures or kills another person while operating a vehicle under the influence, he or she could be fined up to
$2,500, $7,500, $1,000, $5,000.
Answer.
$5,000.
Question 23. Upon receiving a court conviction for a first DWI offense, a Missouri driver may spend up to in gaol
6 months, 30 days, 3 years, 1 year.
Answer.
6 months.
Question 24. What is the minimum fine for a first offense of speeding or passing in a road construction zone in the state of Missouri?
$200, $250, $100, $50.
Answer.
$250.
Question 25. A Missouri driver who is under the age of 21 may be issued a 90-day license suspension for which of the following reasons?
A DWI. Possession of drugs while operating a vehicle. Using a false driver's license. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 26. If a Missouri driver refuses to submit to chemical testing upon the request of law enforcement, his or her license will be confiscated for
1 year, 2 years, 30 days, 3 years.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 27. Accident reports must be filed within days of an accident in the state of Missouri.
15. 3. 30. 10.
Answer.
30.
Question 28. Upon a Missouri driver's third DWI conviction, his or her license will be denied for a period of
15 years, 5 years, 6 months, 10 years.
Answer.
10 years.
Question 29. The court conviction penalty for a second DWI charge includes a. License revocation,
90-day, 1 year, 30 days, 6 month.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 30. A first MIP conviction will result in a day license suspension.
60. 90, 30, 120.
Answer.
30.
Question 31. If a Missouri driver is convicted of a felony that involved the use of a motor vehicle, points will be added to his or her driving record.
8, 14, 10, 12.
Answer.
12.
Question 32. 3 or more suspension periods for failing to comply with Mo's insurance mandate will result in a fine of
$400, $500, $300, $200.
Answer.
$400.
Question 33. Upon a Missouri driver's second conviction of failing to maintain an ignition interlock device, when ordered to do so, his or her driving privileges will be revoked for
2 years, 4 years, 1 year, 5 years.
Answer.
5 years.
Question 34. If a Missouri driver's second DWI offense occurs within 5 years of the first, the court conviction penalty will include license denial for years.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Answer.
5.
Question 35. If a Missouri driver is charged with drinking and driving, he or she will be issued a notice on the scene that informs him or her of an impending license suspension or revocation beginning in days.
3, 10, 12, 15.
Answer.
15.
Question 36. A Missouri driving record will be returned to 0 if no violations occur within years.
4, 6, 5, 3.
Answer.
3.
Question 37. Upon a minor Missouri driver's second MIP conviction, his or her driving privileges will be suspended for a period of
180, 60, 120, 90.
Answer.
90.
Question 38. If a Missouri driver who is over the age of 21 is convicted of possessing or using drugs while operating a vehicle, his or her license will be forfeited for a period of
1 year, 5 years, 2 years, 30 days.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 39. Upon a Missouri driver's fifth DWI conviction, he or she will remain in jail for at least
10 year, 6 months, 3 years, 5 years.
Answer.
5 years.
Question 40. The administrative action for a first DWI offense is a suspension period of days.
30, 60, 180, 90,
Answer.
90.
Question 41. If a Missouri driver is convicted of speeding in a construction zone a second time, he or she will be fined a minimum of
$325, $400, $300, $350.
Answer.
$300.
Question 42. What is an acceptable back limit for Missouri drivers who are under the age of 21?
0.08%. Less than 0.02%. 0.02%. 0.05%.
Answer.
Less than 0.02%.
Question 43. A third DWI conviction may result in a fine of up to, for a Missouri driver,
$1,000, $2,500, $500, $5,000.
Answer.
$5,000.
Question 44. Which of the following will result in a revocation period of 1 year?
12 points in 1 year. 18 points in 2 years. 24 points in 3 years. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 45. Upon conviction of a third DWI charge, a Missouri driver may spend up to, in gaol,
6 months. 2 years. 4 years. 6 years.
Answer.
4 years.
Question 46. Upon being convicted of his or her first DWI, a Missouri driver may be fined up to
$500, $1,000, $1,500, $2,000.
Answer.
$500.
Question 47. If a Missouri driver is convicted of a third traffic violation after his or her initial points suspension, his or her license will be suspended for an additional days.
120. 30. 90. 60.
Answer.
90.
Question 48. A Missouri driver will receive a warning letter upon accumulating points within 12 months.
8. 2. 6. 4.
Answer.
4.
Question 49. Upon accumulating 8 points in an 18-month period, Missouri drivers will have their licenses suspended for a period of days.
120. 90. 30. 60.
Answer.
30.
Question 50. Upon learning that a driver has failed to maintain auto insurance, the state of Missouri will
fine the driver $500, fine the driver $1,000, suspend his or her license or license plates. None of these answers are correct.
Answer:
Suspend his or her license or license plates. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.